guys, it's your girl Real Bethy B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Please do well to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to step up your nuts and fruits game. Without further ado, let's jump right in. I'm using tangerines, oranges, grapefruit, a knife, funnel, sieve, bowl, pitcher, frozen pomegranate, and lastly lemon cubes. I will link these in the description box below. Please do well to check out the video. I will pour into the blender and blend. Starting off with this big sieve while I finish up with the smaller one so as to remove the tiny particles that will be left afterwards. At this point, I will throw in the lemon cubes so as to dissolve. Fresh homemade juice is ready. At this point, I will pop into the fridge and allow to chill. Thereafter, I'll consume within 24 hours. Some yogurt into a bowl, mix, Begin the layering with yogurt first, followed by walnuts, chickpeas, pistachio. Layer again with yogurt, granola, cashew, almond, banana, and the final layering with yogurt, pistachio, chickpeas, and walnuts. There you have it, healthy goodness. Thank you for spending your precious time with me.